Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And hey, in the news that we have, we're going to talk a little bit about some of the information we've got about Panos Panay, about the Surface product line, and so on. Zach Bowen of that has talked about some of what's happening with Panos Panay, why he possibly got away. Went to Amazon, and of course Paul Tarot talked about it. There's a lot of people that in the know that talked about, there are different aspects of what's happening here. So first of all, today with the Microsoft event, a small refresh of the Surface devices for Microsoft, and don't expect to have much more in the future. And one of the reasons it seems that Microsoft is cutting on the spending on the devices department for Surface. And one of the reasons why they mentioned that Surface isn't selling as it should or as they wanted to. Now, that apparently has and is one of the main reasons Panos Panay may be leaving. Apparently, he was unhappy with the fact that Microsoft was cutting Surface, and he was thinking about leaving for a while anyways. And Zach Bowen says that it seems abrupt, but it's not. Apparently, he was thinking about it for several months now. So it's not something that just happened like this. It's really something that he kind of decided to do. So we will see some Surface devices in the future, but nothing fancy, nothing out of the ordinary. Remember the Surface device that had this weird hinge to it that was very bizarre. All sorts of, innovation like that, were successful or not, but all of that is gone. They are keeping only the simplest form factor Surface devices that work, and that will be the future. They canceled tons of things, including the Surface headphones. So it tells you that they're cutting down on Surface, and I wouldn't be surprised that in a couple of years Surface is, a thing of the past. They do make, $1 billion of sales, but it's really not what, it doesn't even make a dent in the market share of PC makers. So I think it's better left off to the PC makers anyways. So that's pretty much what we have in the stories with Surface being cut back and why Panos Panay is pretty much gone. And it will be interesting to see what the future brings to devices. I guess maybe no more Surface Duo in the future, as they are keeping it simple. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.